So we got this situation, and in this situation we have to find out angle between circles. Okay, so try to understand the concept. Like wherever we used to find angle, now we guys are comfortable with the lines. Sir, we can find out angle between the lines. How we can find out angle between circle, and what is the sense of asking this question? Okay, so now try to understand what is the angle between circles. So it means they are interested in finding angle between tangents, angle between tangents at their point of intersection. Okay, so there will be two circles which will intersect at certain point. Suppose that this is the first circle, and suppose that this is the second circle. Okay, suppose that it is the center of first circle minus g minus f. Suppose that this is the center of second circle minus g minus f. You know that it cannot be same. You are 100% correct. So I'll put 1 1 2 2. Okay, so you know what is the center. Now look at this. So this is the point of intersection. Can we put a tangent on this circle at this point? Okay, so look at this. Can I go with this way? So this is the tangent on circle 2. So this is T2. Okay, now look at this. This time we are interested in drawing another tangent to the first circle. Okay, like to be like for clarity I am drawing one more time. Okay, so this is second tangent, means the tangent 1 on circle 1. Is that okay? Now try to connect with this sense. We are interested in finding this angle theta. Okay, so this angle will also be theta, correct? So we are interested in finding this value only. So you know that T1 is tangent to circle 1. Can I connect the center of the first circle to the point of contact of T1? And you know that this thing is what? 90 degree, correct or wrong? Radius is 9 radius. Like if you will connect radius to the point of contact of tangent, it will be perpendicular. So this thing is 90 degree, correct? And you know that this part is theta. So can you say that this angle will be 90 minus theta, correct or wrong? Similarly, let's connect T2 with center 2. Okay, like I'll erase this thing. Now you know that the tangent is perpendicular to the radius, so this thing will be perpendicular. I'll draw it again, and please try to like digest this diagram. So this will be perpendicular. You know that this angle is theta and whole angle is 90. So can I say that this angle would be 90 minus theta, correct? Now I'll erase everything. Okay, now look at this. Can I connect both centers? Okay, so you got a triangle. Okay, suppose that it is A, it is B, it is P. Okay, so I'll draw that triangle again. Please help me. So suppose this is the triangle. Okay, so A, B, P, and you know that this angle was the whole thing. Okay, so we are talking about this angle, correct? So can I say that it is combination of this thing plus this thing plus this thing? Okay, now add everything. So it is 90 minus theta, this part, then this thing theta plus, then this thing 90 minus theta. Okay, so just add everything, so you can utilize this and this, and we will be left with 180 minus theta. So can I say that this angle is 180 minus theta, and we are interested in theta? Okay, now please be focused on AP. Look at your AP. Who is AP? AP is the radius of first circle. So can I go with R1? AP is R1. Now go with BP. Who is BP? BP is radius of second triangle, second circle. So can I go with R2? Okay. And who is A? A is the center of first circle minus G1 minus F1 minus G2 minus F2. Okay. So hopefully you are like understanding the concept till this part. Now look at this. Now I want to apply cos rule. So can I write cos 180 minus theta, and you know that we can we have to write what? R1 square plus R2 square minus AB square upon 2 times R1 R2. Just tell me this is correct or wrong. Okay, so this is how you will find out the angle. Okay, so this thing you have to memorize. Okay, now the important part in this concept is like orthogonality. Like you know that like 90 degree and 0 degree is one of the important part. So in this concept orthogonality is important. Orthogonality means theta is 90 degree. Orthogonality means theta is 90 degree. So suppose that theta is 90. So 180 minus theta will become what? 180 minus 90, cos 90. Cos 90 is what? Cos 90 is 0. So 0 will be multiplied with this, and this thing will be done. And we will be left with 0 equals to R1 square plus R2 square minus AB square. Correct or wrong? Now can I ask this AB to come this side, and it will become AB square equals R1 square plus R2 square. Now do you know who is AB? AB is the distance between the point A and B. So you know that distance is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. But here it is square, so that root will vanish. So can I go with minus G2 minus of minus G1 whole square plus minus F2 minus of minus F1 whole square. Done with AB. Now R1, who is R1? R1 is root, or radius formula is root over G square plus F square minus C. Okay, so R1 will be what? R1 will be root but here we have square, so root will be neutralized. So it is g1 square f1 square minus c1. Correct? Now go with next part, r2. g2 square plus f2 square minus c2. Till this part you guys are comfortable? Okay. Now look at this. Now let's proceed. So can I write g1 square plus g2 square minus 2g1 g2 plus f1 square plus f2 square minus 2 f1 f2 equals g1 square f1 square minus c1 g2 square plus f2 square minus c2. Now you can simplify this. g1 square gone, g2 square gone, f1 square gone, f2 square gone, and then we have this entity. So this is negative. So can I send this thing, or can I multiply both sides by minus? So we will be left with 2 times g1 g2 plus 2 times f1 f2 is equal to c1 plus c2. So this is the condition for orthogonality. Okay, condition for orthogonality. Okay, try to memorize this concept. Okay, because it will be useful, and nowadays these type of questions are being asked regularly. Okay, I hope idea is clear.